Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the hotkey for Genie Voice Command if for whatever reason it doesn't get set automatically. It won't get set automatically if your hotkey set is locked. So it's a good idea to duplicate your hotkey set, and so that way it will be unlocked. And so if you install Genie Voice Command, it's not there, you can unlock it, turn off Genie Voice Command, and turn off Maya and then restart Maya, and it should probably set the hotkey automatically. But if not, you have to do it manually. So Alt-Shift-U is the hotkey, and what it does is it sets the focus to the Mel command line in the lower left-hand corner. So that's how you can test it to see if it's actually set, is press Alt-Shift and U. If not, you have to set it manually in the hotkey editor, which is under Settings and Preferences. And so if your hotkey set in the upper left-hand corner is locked, easiest way to do it is to unlock is just to make a duplicate. So if you click the little cog wheel next to the drop-down menu, you can select duplicate, and that will duplicate your hotkeys. And you can just give it any name you want, and that will unlock it so that it's unlocked. And then you have a duplicate of yours, so just in case something were to happen, you have a copy of your old hotkeys. And this is just an addition to your current hotkeys that you're using. So, anyway, so we need to set a Mel command. And so just click Runtime Command Editor, then New, and then you have to give it a name. You can name it whatever you want, but if you're using multiple words, make sure there's no spaces between the words. You can put an underscore like I have done here. And you can give it literally any name. And then for the description, I just usually put GVC for Genie Voice Command. And now you need to put in the Mel command in order to give the focus to the Mel command line. And you got to make sure that you type it exactly the way I'm going to have it here. The same capitalization, upper and lowercase, and a semicolon at the end. So here you can see set focus to command line. Semicolon at the end, and you have to make sure it's exactly like that, otherwise it won't work. And then you just click the save button, and I had already made one, that's why it's giving me this error. I already made one with the naming it Control Voice, so I'm just going to name it Control Voice 1. I had done one in practice and forgot I named it the same thing. So here we go. So now we have a correct name. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is we have to actually set the hotkey. So you switch the hotkey editor 4 to custom scripts, and then there's the first one I did, and then here's the second one. So you select it, and then you need to click in the area to the right of where you just click this blank area right here to get this blank cursor, and now you hold down Alt, Shift, and then press the letter U while holding Alt and Shift down. And there we go, Alt-Shift-U. And now all you have to do is click Save, or you can click Save and Closed. So I'm going to click Save. And like I said, or I could have clicked Save and Close. And then now I'm just going to close the window. Okay. So to test it, click in the 3D work area. And then hold down Alt-Shift and U. And if it works, you'll see that there's a cursor in the Mel command line. So that means the Mel command line has focus, and you have to make sure that the Mel command line is set to Mel. See, if you click on it and it's set to Python, Genie Voice Command won't work. Make sure you leave that on Mel. By default, it's left on Mel, or Mel, M-E-L. So awesome. So that's how you set it. Like I said, if you install Genie Voice Command and it wasn't there, unlock your hotkey set. You could close down Maya and restart Maya, and it will probably be there. But if not, you'll have to set it manually. Awesome. So we'll see you in the next video.